friend, this is Umang Sharma, and in this video I'm going to explain about HTML form input type. So up to here we already completed, you can see my output. So first I am going to delete my all the codes. Yes, if you want to make your form, that time we need to use form tag. So I'm going to explain now that and this. So we are going to make one form. For that we need to use form tag, and here you can use any text. Here no need to use paragraph tag, article tag, all this tag. And after that I need one. I need my input a new line. For that I'm using break tag, and input type that I want to take from user, that is my text type, and name it will store that value. I'll explain you afterwards. So input type equal to text. So save. So first name for last name, same thing I'm using, and you can see my output now. Yes, here first name we can put any our, and here we can use any our text here. So next thing I am going to explain about input type equal to password. If you want to take password from user, for that we need to use input type equal to password. And text. So same thing, username, then one break input type text, that is username text type we need, user password, then new line, and for that we need to use password. So what it will happen when you user trying to give its password, it will display in circle. You can see here. Yes, username I can give anything, and for password it is displaying in circle. So this is for our input type equal to password. Hope you understand this thing. Next thing is here button. For that we need to use type equal to submit. Cut and paste. So if you want to make one button, for that we need to use type input type equal to submit, because in form if you have button, it means for submit generally we are using for type equal to submit, and value is that for display what we need on my button. For that I am giving value equal to submit, and for here also I am using value Mickey value mouse. So by default it will take same value, and when I will click it will goes to my action page dot php. This is my form handler. It is like server type script. It is for processing my all data. For that I am using my action page dot php. So see now yes, by default Mickey Mouse is coming because there I am using my value. You can see here value I am giving, so we can put any value. When I submit, here you can see it's showing first name equal to main and last name equal to mouse. Why? Because here method that is using, that is our my get method. And sometime we think, yeah, our data is very precious, no need to show in this url. For that we need to use method is post. So I'm going to use my method type equal to method equal to post. Save, refresh. So became mouse. When I submit, here is no url. In url we cannot see what is our input data. So next thing, yes, next thing is our, that I already explained. So, next our radio button. For that we need to use our input type equal to radio name, because radio button we need to make in one group. For one group, for that I am using same name, and sometime so it means when you will click mail, that time by default it is unchecked, unchecked. And here if I remove first this thing, check. Okay. Save. It means all three belong to one group. Only at one time I can select only one radio button. You can see in output. Yes, male, female. By default, you can see when I click another one, it's unchecked because all three belong to one group. And one thing you can see here by default is it none of one is checked. So for that, if sometime we need by default, I need like my mail button is checked. For that, we need to use our check property. And now you can see now. Yes, you can see yes, mail is. And next for our checkbox. So for checkbox, we need to use input type equal to checkbox name. We need to give different and value. And value is our bike and car. And I have a car. I have a car. Sometimes for survey we can use our checkbox generally. And now see our output. Yes, I have a car. I have a car. So we can select at one time. Both we can select. So for that we need to use name type equal to checkbox. Last type is button. Sometimes we need different button, not submit button. For that we need to use type equal to button. So type input type equal to button. On click alert message we want to display, that is hello world, and value I am giving click me. So save, and when I will click that time it will give one alert message. So say yes, one alert message is coming. So I hope you understand in this video. Next video I will explain you more HTML import type. Thank you. See you. Allah Hafiz. See you in next video. Thank you.